Hi, I'm Mark Krynski. I'm a manager of web production for the XPRIZE Foundation. Well, at the XPRIZE Foundation, what we do is we come up with $10 million or greater prizes for teams to compete for challenges to benefit humanity. It's kind of at our high level. We usually try to find different areas where the needle has to move dramatically. And then after we come up with one of these concepts, then we flesh it out. We have a prize development department where we actually look at, we'll take on advisors and a lot of different contractors to help us develop a prize. And then we kind of incubate them, and we have a lot of these different prizes that we incubate, and eventually we look at which ones we can actually launch. It's kind of interesting. It's almost like a startup within the company. For us at the XPRIZE, it's all about really having these small teams, these small group of techies or guys that are working in a garage or whatever it may be. And what we do is it's us about highlighting these teams, about showing to the world these people that are really innovating but kind of in a bubble. And what we've been able to do with Progressive Insurance Automotive at XPRIZE is we started out with like 111 teams. And right before the competition actually started, we modified our website to actually utilize a lot of social media services to make it really easy to get the team's word out, and we aggregated all that content on our site. And we trained the teams too on how to use these services. So we made it really easy for them to post pictures to Flickr, to put videos up on YouTube. We gave them equipment to do this, we trained them. And we were really able to elevate their voices on our site by aggregating all the content they were generating through those services. So, you know, it worked out really well to get exposure for them, to get the word out about what angles they were utilizing, and we found it, you know, to be very beneficial. For the XPRIZE model, the prize model, you know, I just think that there's lots of things that small groups can do to create these incentive prizes. You know, you can do it at the community level, where it's really just trying to get the word out by giving a prize. I mean, people just love to compete, you know, and it's just in our nature. And to be able to gain notoriety and reward people to compete against each other to achieve a prize, that model just seems to work really well. We do it at a very high level, at a large scale, but there's nothing stopping small communities, small groups, smaller businesses to use that same model. There's just huge benefits, and we're starting to see a lot of other sites that are starting to do what we do. Challenge Post is a good site that's out there that's generating challenges as well. And there's just, we're starting to see this blow up in a lot of different areas. And you know, we encourage it, we think it's great. So looking forward to seeing more companies innovate by using these different types of models.